Colorfootprint. Hello everyone. Welcome to Colorfootprint. Today I would like to share the wonders of one of the most fascinating and unique creatures in our oceans, the seahorse. With their elegant appearance and slow movements, seahorses are often considered the hidden gems of the underwater world. Not only are they beautiful, but they are also full of quirks that we might never expect. Let's start with their identity. Seahorses, which scientifically belong to the genus Hippocampus, are fish from the Syngnathidae family, which also includes pipefish. Although they are fish, their body shape is quite different from that of a typical fish. They have a horse-like head, a tubular snout, and a prehensile tail that can hold. Unlike other fish, they do not have scales, but rather thin skin that stretches over the bony plates that cover their bodies. Their small dorsal fins vibrate rapidly to propel them forward, while small pectoral fins near the gills help them steer and maintain balance. One of the incredible skills of seahorses is their camouflage ability. They can change the color and even texture of their skin to blend in perfectly with their surroundings, such as coral reefs or seaweed. This is a very effective defense strategy to avoid predators and also helps them stalk prey. Their long tubular snout acts like a mini vacuum cleaner. The movement of seahorses is very unique. They move vertically, not horizontally like most fish. It is this rapidly vibrating dorsal fin that allows them to move slowly and gracefully through the water column. Because of their slow movements, they often wait for prey to approach rather than chase. Their diet consists mainly of zooplankton, copepods, and small shrimps. They are patient and efficient hunters. This is the most interesting part of seahorses' uniqueness: their reproductive system. Unlike most species where the female incubates the eggs, in seahorses, it's the male that gets pregnant. The female deposits her eggs into a brooding sac that belongs to the male. Inside this sac, the eggs are fertilized and protected. The male will provide nutrients to the developing embryos and regulate the salinity of the water inside the sac to match the conditions of the outside ocean. After a few weeks, depending on the species, the male will give birth to a fully formed young seahorse. This is one of the most remarkable examples of parental care in the animal kingdom. Seahorses are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, inhabiting habitats such as seagrass beds, mangroves, and coral reefs. Unfortunately, seahorse populations around the world are facing serious threats. Habitat destruction, overfishing for the aquarium, traditional medicine, and souvenir trades, and climate change are all contributing to their decline. Many seahorse species are now listed as vulnerable or endangered. Seahorses play an important role in marine ecosystems as predators of small organisms and as indicators of the health of their habitats. Losing seahorses not only means the loss of a unique species, but can also disrupt the balance of the marine ecosystem. Therefore, conservation efforts are essential. Supporting marine conservation initiatives, reducing pollution, and choosing not to buy wild-caught seahorses are all steps we can take to protect these magnificent creatures. Seahorses are living proof of the amazing biodiversity in our oceans. With all their uniqueness, from their appearance, to the way they move, to their incredible reproductive system, they truly deserve our protection. Let's all do our part to keep our oceans healthy, so that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of seahorses and all other marine life.
Wow, how exciting is our chat about seahorses! It turns out that this cute creature with a horse-like head is not just an ornament of the ocean. We learned that seahorses are unique fish that walk upright, have speedy little fins, and can really camouflage themselves as underwater ninjas. They eat plankton and tiny shrimp with their snouts, which are like magic straws. But the most mind-blowing part is that a seahorse's father can get pregnant. Yes, that's right. The father incubates the egg until the baby is born. How cool is that? Unfortunately, this beauty is in danger of extinction because of our actions. So, let's together become sea heroes by keeping their ecosystem clean. In short, seahorses are underwater dancers full of surprises, living proof of how incredible our oceans are. Let's continue to protect the sea so that these seahorses can continue to dance happily. How exciting was our adventure with the seahorse today? Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss our next excitement. See you in the next video. Stay awesome. Bye.